The supplementary heating system is supplied with fuel from the vehicle fuel tank and can be used when the vehicle is in motion or stationary. Before using, ensure that you have a sufficient amount of diesel in the tank. The space heater is controlled through the small control panel found to the right of the rear seat. To turn on, push the power button in the top right corner. After 20 seconds or so, the heating will automatically come on to its current settings. The light will turn green to signify that the heating is on. To adjust the temperature, go to the main menu by pressing the power button. With the heating selected, use a rotary dial to choose your preferred temperature and push in to confirm. The light will turn green when on. To turn the heating off, simply press the power button. The light will turn white and the display will switch off after a few seconds.